Hello student. Today we are going to start Science Second, Chapter Second, Energy Flow in Ecosystem, Part Second. First, food web. Interacted networks of the food chain say 10% of low energy transfer, only 10% energy is transferred from lower trophic level to higher trophic level, which means that energy keeps on decreasing as one moves up different trophic levels. Means the graphical representation of energy exchange in the ecosystem is known as pyramids of energy. Since a little energy is available for the next trophic level of consumers, food chains generally consist of 3 or 4 trophic levels. Biomagnification is increase in the concentrations of pollutants or harmful chemicals with each steps up in the food chain. Here is a traffic levels are mentioned there. Attention to student. यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक लेवल दिखाए गए हैं. फर्स्ट ऑल द प्रोड्यूसर इन द इकोसिस्टम प्लांट्स प्रोड्यूसर है. फर्स्ट ट्रैफिक लेवल इज हर्बिवोरस, second is a carnivorous, and third is a omnivorous. Means the first plants are present, first level is present as for example grasshoppers. Second step is present as a for example here is a present frog, and the third level is present the snakes, and the last is decomposition. बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल. व्हाट इज मीन बाय बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल कि ये बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल है क्या? दो ऑन द एनर्जी फ्लो इन इकोसिस्टम इज वन वे. द फ्लो ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट इज अ साइक्लिकल and all organisms need the nutrient for their growth. The cyclical flow of nutrient within an ecosystem is called the biogeochemical cycle. यानी जो साइक्लिकल फ्लो होता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स का विदिन अ इकोसिस्टम दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ biogeochemical cycle. The next, the nutrients necessary for the growth of organisms are continuously transferred abiotic to biotic factors and biotic to abiotic factor within an ecosystem. This cycle operates continuously through the medium of the biosphere formed by the lithosphere, atmospheres and hydrosphere. The recycling biological, geological and chemical source of nutrient in this process is a complex process and is depend upon the level of the transfer in the ecosystems. Means here is a biogeochemical cycle जो है which is depends upon the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. यानी इन 4 लेयरों पे वो क्या होती है डिपेंड होती है. Here is mentioned the biogeochemical cycle. For example, lithosphere, environment interactions, hydrosphere, atmosphere interactions. Both are combined together. Interactions of the hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere with the biosphere, and it is a conversions of this conversion of lithosphere into the rocks of soil, that is a biogeochemical cycle. Here is a water cycle is also mentioned here. For example, means the ground level water use the sun rays. The surface of water is evaporate using a sun rays, and it is evaporate condense this water and then makes the cloud. Again this cloud use the cooled air or in air form it makes the start the raining, that is a precipitation of the rain, and again this cycle is again start this water is flowing again to the canyons, ponds, rivers, and again this water again start to the surface level evaporated again condense again make the clouds and again start the rain. This procedure is again and again continuously started. जैसे कि पानी का जो सरफेस होता है वो सूरज की किरणों से गर्म हो जाता है, उस पानी की भाप बन जाती है, वो भाप ऊपर जाकर उसके क्लाउड्स बन जाते हैं और उस क्लाउड्स को ठंडी हवा लग जाती है तो उसकी वहाँ से बारिश स्टार्ट हो जाती है। तो इस तरह से ये जो चक्र है कंटिन्यूअसली ऐसे ही रहता है। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वाटर साइकिल। So, types of biogeochemical cycle. The gaseous cycle, an accumulation of the main abiotic gaseous nutrient material is found in a earth atmosphere, and sedimentary cycle means the unaccumulations of the main abiotic nutrient material is found in the soil, sediments and sedimentary rocks etc. of the earth. So here is including the nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor etc. And here is include the soil components like as iron, calcium, phosphorus etc. Do you know? आपको मालूम है? The cycle of gaseous and the sedimentary cycle cannot be completely separate from each other. The form example of nitrogen in presence form of the gases in the atmosphere, and in the form of compound like as a nitrogen oxide is in soil and sediments. So similarly carbon occurs in the abiotic form mainly in the coal, graphite, diamond, limestone etc. in the earth crust, and it is in form of the carbon dioxide gases in the atmosphere. For example, it is found in carbon dioxide means CO2. It is found in the nitrogen form. Nitrogen oxide means NO2, NO. This is form. Generally, the carbon is present in the plants and animal for such a shorter duration that it is in form of the coal. जैसे कि प्लांट हो या फिर एनिमल्स हो, जब उनका जैसे कि प्लांट है उसे काटने के बाद अगर हम उसे जलाते हैं तो काले कलर मीन्स द ब्लैक कलर का एक कोयला हमें मिलता है, दैट इज़ द कोल. दिस कोल इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कार्बन in this coal. And then also the man is also dead, then it is decomposed and again makes the carbon. So in presence of human or in presence of animal there is also carbon. So the carbon cycle, the circulations and recycling of the carbon from atmosphere to living organisms and after their death back to the atmosphere is called as a carbon cycle. Abiotic carbon atoms is circulated and recycled into the biotic form. Mainly though the photosynthesis and respiration, since the carbon cycle is one of the important biogeochemical cycle. For example, the uh, smokes from the companies, then dirty waters there are flow this form as a carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide absorb the plants, and plants use this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and he release the oxygen, and this oxygen is respire the animals, plants and other things. That is a carbon cycle. For example, this is a sun rays and waters and carbon dioxide is used for the photosynthesis of the plant, and plant is release the oxygen. This oxygen is used the animals and plant also. So for example, sunlight respirations in the plant, respiration in the animals. And so biotic carbon is again the biotic decomposition of fossil fuels, absorptions in the water, and carbon from the factories is also used. Here is also given the carbon cycle format. How to find the carbon? So for example, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, so it is a organic compound like as a plant. From plant you give the coals, carbohydrate carbon is the carbohydrates in the water, limestone. And again this organic compound in a plant is also the organic compound in animal, means the petroleums, and inorganic carbonates, that is the shells. And these are the respirations and decompositions of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide is used the plants, and plant is release the oxygen. So I think you like my video. So today's topic you understand better, so you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you once again.